Good morning everyone, it is Sunday at 7:49. I'm just heading up to Rockbourne Trout Fishery to film my friend and his son fly fishing. Really look forward to it actually, so I don't have the pressure of actually catching myself, just a bit of filming today. But yeah, I hope it goes well. Weather's really nice, so let's get up there and catch some trout. Oh, he's in. Work, Jaden. We got one fish, two fish, three fish. It is going crazy. Rockbourne is well known for its really great fighting fish, so Mike's still hooked up. About 5-6 minutes later, Jaden's still hooked up. Who can land it first? That's the next question. Fighting well. Hey, there we go. Yeah, well done. I had a really great morning filming Jaden and his dad fishing. Great angling, guys. Go and check out Rockbourne Fishery's website for further details about them. It's an amazing place with beautiful surroundings and it's been my go-to fishery for many years. Here's a few personal favourites of mine from this particular fishery. Well, that was a really enjoyable day up at Rockbourne with Jaden and his dad. What I'm going to do now is just a quick Q&A that I did on my Instagram story, I think about a week ago. Just some of the questions from you guys. Go through and answer some, and yeah. So we got 01 Mulsha asking me what my favourite rig is. My favourite rig is probably a polyball rig. If you're not sure what a polyball rig is, head over to my how to catch a catfish video. It's explained in there. It's a really great method for catching catfish and it's my go-to on any lake I visit. Chris Drew asks what my favourite species is. Favourite species for me, it's a tie between catfish and pike. Pike are an amazing predatory fish and I've fished for them for so many years. Catfish I've only fished for about 4 or 5 years. But they're such a great creature and they're so fun to catch. So if I had to choose one, I'd probably go for pike. What's the best way to catch a pike? From Reese 8982898. So Reese, in my personal experience, I would say dead baiting or live baiting is the best way to catch pike. I've had so many pike on lures, but dead bait and live bait, it always seems to come through, especially for the bigger pike. Next up we've got Ted Ray 16. If there was only one fish you could catch for the rest of your life, what is it? That's a tough one. Catfish fight like no other fish I've caught, whereas pike are so cool. They've got these big teeth, they're like crocodiles. That's a really tough question. I would probably have to go pike just because it takes me back to my roots. And as I said, I've fished for them for so many years, so yeah, I'd have to go pike on that one. Next up, Josh Field, can you teach me how to fish? No. Brooke_G.15, what's the biggest fish you've ever caught? The biggest fish I've ever caught was a Mekong catfish in Thailand, which weighed in, they estimated around 70 to 75 pounds. Hell of a fish that was, really good fun. How did you get sponsored by Catfish Pro? Do you know what, I don't actually know, Ollie. I think they were looking at my brother and I for the best part of a year. We put a lot of work into our fishing and we always make sure we're helping others out when we're on the bank. So we've made a good name for ourselves in that respect. And we're always going the extra distance to try and better ourselves and help other people. So I think that's probably sort of the main thing to do with it. But also I think with the videography now and everything else, they can see some potential to sort of help push their products, which I'm more than happy to do, and they don't ask too much of me and my brother. So yeah, I think it's a good one for us. Ollie's Fishing Diaries again. What's your PB catfish? Well, Mekong between 70 and 75. UK personal best catfish is £53, so not the biggest, but got some really great venues booked for this year with cats in the hundreds and even over. So I'm hopeful for a 70 or 80 plus this year. And that's it. Thanks for sending the questions through, guys. Yeah, really appreciate that. Just going to round the video off now by saying thanks for all the support so far. I've had really good response actually, and with my videos, hitting 1,000 and 2,000 views, which I never expected in a million years because I'm only doing it for sort of fun and for just to document my adventures with my brother and everything else, and just something to look back in the years to come. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.